Welcome back to Z Car Update, your go-to place for everything automotive. If you're passionate about cars, vintage rides, and unique vehicles, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay updated on all things cars. Today, we're diving into the iconic vintage Mahindra Jeep, a symbol of rugged endurance, timeless design, and adventure. From its military roots to becoming a beloved vehicle for civilians, this Jeep has earned a reputation that spans generations. The Mahindra Jeep made its debut in India in the 1940s, initially serving as a military vehicle, built to withstand rough terrains and harsh conditions. Its powerful engine and robust build made it an instant favorite, not just with the army, but also with those looking for a reliable off-road vehicle. One of the standout features of the vintage Mahindra Jeep is its distinct design. The wide grille with round headlights, the high ground clearance, and those deep, wide tires all contribute to its no-nonsense look. It's not just a vehicle, it's an adventure on wheels, built to conquer any terrain, from mountains to muddy trails. Under the hood, the vintage Mahindra Jeep featured a 4-cylinder engine capable of producing around 70 horsepower. This was more than enough to tackle tough, rugged roads, making it ideal for rural areas or places with little infrastructure. And the best part? The simplicity of the engine meant that it was easy to maintain, and with proper care, these Jeeps could last for decades. Inside, the vintage Mahindra Jeep had a no-frills design. The dashboard, with its metal finish, housed just the essentials, and the seats were designed for durability over comfort. But that's part of what made it special. It gave drivers a raw, unfiltered experience, connecting them to the road, or a lack of it, in a way few vehicles can. The Mahindra Jeep quickly became a part of Indian culture, serving farmers, adventurers, and anyone in need of a vehicle that could handle the roughest conditions. Its reputation for being nearly indestructible made it a favorite for those living in remote areas, where reliability was key. Over the years, the Mahindra Jeep evolved, but the vintage models still hold a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts and collectors. They're more than just vehicles, they're a piece of automotive history. If you're lucky enough to own or drive a vintage Mahindra Jeep, you're not just behind the wheel of a car, you're steering a piece of India's past, a testament to engineering that has stood the test of time. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Z Car Update for more deep dives into iconic vehicles and all things automotive. Until next time, keep driving.